Another beautiful and sunny morning at Dehivala beach in Sri Lanka. Ladies and gentlemen, the COVID-19 pandemic for the last 2 years has made many people who are high and mighty coming down to basically somewhat the humble status. Not only individuals, the politicians, the businessmen, so-called so many people have been made sometimes zero by virtue of this. Particularly the high and mighty. One of the most wonderful things that happens in the universe, initiated by the black holes, bringing the checks and balances to create harmony, synchronization, and the precision timing of the operations to the universe. Sometimes to our planet Earth, the nature brings that checks and balances when there is excessive evil and corruption takes place. You cannot eliminate corruption and evil, but sometimes nature is a leveler. Ladies and gentlemen, the word arrogance or arrogant is a root word coming from Latin called arrogare, meaning somebody is trying to take credit or advantage for something he doesn't deserve. And that happens all the time, particularly in the corporate world. Various individuals and even in the political world, every field of every frontier, this takes place. Somebody all the time trying to take credit for or advantage for what he doesn't deserve. And that creates sometimes the kind of an arrogant spirit. And the arrogance is somewhat not very healthy for a sustainable, enriching, and empowering society. The arrogant spirit is utterly selfish, egocentric, and it is short-lived. And we have seen many people who are very arrogant and rising up, and then they are made zero. And I have seen during the COVID-19 pandemic across the whole world, many people that have been proclaimed to be somewhat be made known who they are. Yet some still hide behind some of the things and trying to showcase something different to who they are. Ladies and gentlemen, in a progressive, enriching, empowering society, there is no room for arrogance. The creativity, innovation, ingenuity takes place when one begins to understand the needs of the society and his own capabilities, and then come up with solution the most humblest way with humility. And that's where the dignity is enshrined. The arrogant will short-lived. The dignity earned through humility is lasting, inspiring, enriching, empowering people all the time.